The irresistible aroma and the energy it provides make coffee one of the most popular habits worldwide. But what few people know is that small mistakes when consuming it can turn this beverage into a risk for your body. In this video, we will reveal the 10 fatal mistakes when drinking coffee and how to avoid them to make the most of its benefits. Stay until the end and discover how this simple change can impact your health. Let's start by talking about the benefits of coffee, which are not few. In the fast-paced rhythm of daily life, coffee has become a symbol of instant energy. But it goes far beyond just keeping sleep at bay. Scientific studies show that its bioactive compounds, such as polyphenols, have antioxidant power and can protect cells from damage. However, not every cup brings benefits. Excessive consumption can pose risks, and low-quality beans may contain harmful substances. To get the best coffee has to offer, it's essential to understand how to consume it correctly. If you are looking to lose weight or improve your workout performance, coffee can be a great ally. Caffeine acts as a natural thermogenic, speeding up metabolism and encouraging calorie burning. Additionally, its stimulating effect boosts energy and reduces fatigue, making it a popular pre-workout choice. But beware, excessive doses can lead to tremors, palpitations, and anxiety, canceling out its benefits. To make the most of this effect, finding the right balance is key. Type 2 diabetes is one of today's greatest health challenges, driven by poor eating habits and a sedentary lifestyle. But research shows that regular coffee consumption, without sugar, can improve insulin sensitivity, helping to regulate blood sugar levels. Its antioxidants reduce inflammation, affecting the pancreas and insulin receptors. Of course, there are no miracles. Those already diagnosed with diabetes or at risk need medical supervision. But in the right amount, coffee can be a valuable ally in preventing metabolic complications. Many people associate longevity with expensive supplements or exotic diets. But studies indicate that regular coffee consumption can reduce the risk of premature death from various causes, including heart disease and certain types of cancer. Its protective effects benefit organs like the heart, liver, and brain, as well as support metabolism. However, overdoing the dose can overload the nervous system and reverse the benefits. The key lies in moderation. In the right amount, coffee can be an ally in the pursuit of a long, healthy life. Beyond its role as a stimulant, coffee can have significant impacts on mental health. Studies suggest that moderate coffee consumption may reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's due to the presence of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds. Additionally, caffeine can improve attention, memory, and mood, helping to combat depression and mental fatigue. However, it's important to remember that excess coffee can cause irritability and even worsen anxiety symptoms. To reap the benefits without harming emotional well-being, the dose should be controlled. The cardiovascular system can also benefit when coffee is consumed responsibly. Substances found in coffee beans can aid in vasodilation and control inflammation, improving blood circulation. Studies reveal that moderate consumption, typically 3 to 5 cups a day, is associated with a reduced risk of issues like heart failure or coronary diseases. However, for individuals predisposed to arrhythmias or hypertension, seeking medical advice is essential. Excessive caffeine intake can trigger tachycardia and cause sudden increases in blood pressure. In this sense, balance and understanding one's own body limits are crucial for coffee to be an ally of the heart, not a factor of imbalance. The thyroid gland is responsible for producing hormones that regulate various functions, including basal metabolism. According to some studies, coffee can increase thyroid activity in individuals without pre-existing dysfunctions, boosting hormone regulation. This directly influences factors like body weight, internal temperature, and daily energy levels. However, in cases of hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism, caution is needed. Those who take medication to regulate thyroid hormones may experience interference in absorption if coffee is consumed too close to the medication schedule. The general recommendation is to maintain at least a 30-minute gap between medication and a cup of coffee. But consulting a health professional to personalize this routine is always advisable. It's undeniable that coffee is the favorite beverage of those looking for concentration to work or study. Its impact on energy levels is almost immediate, as caffeine increases neuronal activity and reduces mental fatigue. That's why many people turn to coffee during intense study periods or when facing complex tasks. The risk is becoming dependent on this stimulus. If the body adapts to high doses of coffee, a rebound effect may occur when trying to drastically reduce consumption, leading to irritability and headaches. Therefore, adopting a consumption pattern that respects personal sensitivity is the best way to enjoy the energizing effect without experiencing drastic fluctuations in mood or physical energy. The gut microbiota is increasingly recognized as a critical factor for overall health. Coffee, especially when it's of high quality, contains compounds that can stimulate peristaltic movements, aiding bowel movements and excretion. Additionally, its antioxidants contribute to the balance of beneficial gut bacteria, positively impacting immunity and even the production of neurotransmitters related to well-being. On the other hand, individuals sensitive to coffee may experience discomfort or even diarrhea if consumed in excess. Monitoring the body's reaction is essential. If moderate consumption promotes regular bowel movements and well-being, great. However, if abdominal pain or irritation occurs, it may be time to reduce intake or opt for less acidic types of coffee. Strokes remain one of the leading causes of death and disability worldwide. In this context, coffee can offer a protective barrier, as its components help regulate blood pressure and prevent the formation of clots that could block brain arteries. Epidemiological studies show a statistically significant reduction in stroke incidence among those who drink 1 to 4 cups a day. The warning is the same as in other situations. Benefits appear when coffee consumption is balanced and combined with healthy lifestyle habits. Excessive intake can have the opposite effect, raising blood pressure and overloading the circulatory system. Moderating coffee intake is the best way to make it an ally against vascular risks. Now, let's look at the 10 biggest mistakes when consuming coffee and their consequences. Mistake number 1. Drinking coffee close to bedtime. Caffeine stays in the body for hours and can seriously affect sleep quality. Poor or insufficient sleep triggers problems ranging from weakened immunity to hormonal imbalances. Avoiding coffee at night is essential for those prioritizing restful sleep. Mistake number 2. Drinking low-quality coffee. Cheap coffee, without certification or of dubious origin, may contain harmful substances such as heavy metals and pesticides. These contaminants represent cumulative dangers, undermining the benefits of the drink. Choosing recognized brands and organic products ensures purity and real advantages. Mistake number 3. Ignoring ingredients that can enhance coffee. Cinnamon, cocoa powder, and even certain spices provide anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Failing to incorporate these natural touches means missing out on an opportunity to boost coffee's functional value. Small adjustments can make a big difference for health. Mistake number 4. Not compensating for diuretic effects with hydration. Coffee can have a mild diuretic effect, causing the body to lose fluids and minerals. Drinking water throughout the day balances coffee intake and keeps the body hydrated, preventing symptoms like fatigue and headaches. Simply alternating a glass of water with your coffee guarantees better benefits without the risk of dehydration. Mistake number 5. Not using a paper filter. Certain substances in coffee, like cafestol, can raise LDL, bad cholesterol levels. Paper filters trap most of these compounds, while allowing beneficial antioxidants and caffeine to pass through, preserving health. Mistake number 6. Ignoring your sensitivity to caffeine. Each body reacts differently. If headaches, anxiety, or palpitations occur even with a few cups, this indicates low tolerance. Persisting in high consumption can worsen heart problems and mood. Respecting your body's limits is always the best approach. Mistake number 7. Adding too much sugar. This seemingly harmless habit increases the risk of obesity, diabetes, and chronic inflammation. It also masks the original flavor of coffee. Replacing sugar with cinnamon, stevia, or simply drinking black coffee helps maintain the drink's healthy profile. Mistake number 8. Drinking coffee on an empty stomach. This habit stimulates acid production in the stomach, irritating the lining and potentially leading to acidity or gastritis in the long term. It's better to eat something light, like fruit or toast, before the first cup, to protect the digestive system from possible inflammation. Mistake number 9. Overdoing coffee. Drinking multiple cups throughout the day can lead to palpitations, anxiety, and sleep disturbances. Excessive caffeine overloads the body, causing irritability and even potential damage to the heart. Many experts recommend consuming between 2 and 4 cups a day, respecting individual sensitivity levels. Mistake number 10. Not compensating for diuretic effects with hydration. Coffee can have a mild diuretic effect, causing the body to lose fluids and minerals. Drinking water throughout the day balances coffee intake and keeps the body hydrated, preventing symptoms like fatigue and headaches. Simply alternating a glass of water with your coffee guarantees better benefits without the risk of dehydration. Not everyone benefits from coffee consumption. People with severe anxiety, chronic gastritis, or uncontrolled hypertension may experience worsening symptoms. Pregnant women should also be cautious, as caffeine crosses the placenta and may affect fetal development. Those taking certain medications should consult a healthcare professional, as caffeine can interfere with absorption or intensify side effects of specific drugs. In these cases, drastically reducing intake or opting for decaffeinated versions may be the safest option, preserving both flavor and safety. Coffee is a tool for health and well-being. It doesn't have to be just an automatic habit to start the day. It can become a true ally for health when consumed in moderation and with strategy. Simple changes like replacing sugar with spices or choosing high-quality coffee turn every sip into an investment in well-being. The invitation is clear. Make coffee a self-care ritual. Enjoy the aroma, taste, and the story behind every bean. Adjust the quantities according to your routine and body needs. Above all, stay informed on how to avoid mistakes that could diminish its medicinal qualities. When consumed wisely, this ancient drink offers benefits that span generations, providing vitality and pleasure in every moment of life. If you like this content, give it a like, share, and follow the channel for more health and well-being tips.